The challenge that we all deal with is how does the business speak the IT language and how does IT speak the business language? And so from an experience perspective, I think you have to spend some time understanding somebody else's perspective or somebody else's world that they live in. I think the guiding principle is really around creating an environment for failure to be an acceptable opportunity for both our IT individuals and our procurement individuals. Because traditionally those failures will create a completely different solution or a different view on a product or service for us. We have a hybrid between our IT organization and our procurement organization where we have single owners from procurement that work across the various projects. And we also bring procurement representation from our global categories along with our regional folk. Having representation across the globe and across the various functions makes it much easier to roll the products out, and there's a much more support model and easier buy-in as well too. One of the things I did early in my career was I took an opportunity to actually program it within an IT organization. It teaches you to understand their language, what their challenges are, what their problems are as well. So we spent some time at Mondelez around focusing our procurement resources on some of those cross-functional projects, putting them in the lives of the IT individuals along with the data individuals as well. And by creating that learning or that opportunity, you allow them to understand some of the challenges that each other are facing, which leads to much faster decision making and much stronger product support as well. So instead of just being the center of excellence or myself sponsoring all the projects, I have my peers be the procurement sponsor on those projects. It creates a level of buy-in across our leadership team, as opposed to it being viewed as one person owning the journey, is we all own a piece of that sponsorship and journey as well.